Recently went hiking the Catoctin Mountains in Maryland with my wife and daughter and decided to check the stats for my latest video from my phone and discovered that most traffic was coming from video chapters in Google search and YouTube search. Google shows a large thumbnail and snippet on the first page. Video chapters also appear on your mobile phone using the YouTube app with a large thumbnail and a video carousel. If you tap one of the chapters, it'll take you directly to that particular segment of the video. During this hike, I'm going to show you how to add chapters to your YouTube video so you can rank on the first page of YouTube and Google. Scrub through your video and make a list of the time and title for each segment in your video. This is how the timestamps will appear as people watch your video. Make sure the first timestamp starts with 0:00 and list the timestamps in chronological order. Your video should have at least 3 timestamps, and the minimum length for video chapters is 10 seconds. Wow, it's so beautiful out here with all the fall colors. If you don't have time to add chapters manually because you're too busy hiking, you can allow automatic chapters under your video. Keep in mind that you'll overwrite automatic chapters anytime by creating your own chapters in the video description. After you've finished adding all the timestamps in your video description, click on a timestamp to make sure it takes you to that particular segment of your video. Congratulations for making timestamps for YouTube video. Now you'll be able to sit back and enjoy the view from the top. You've increased the probability of your video ranking on the first page of Google and YouTube. Format your timestamp in this format: hour, minute, and second. If there's no hour, you don't need to include it. Place each timestamp on a new line in the video description. Specify the title of the timestamp on the same line as the timestamp. Link the timestamp to the specified point in the video. Make sure each title contains at least one word. List the timestamps in chronological order. Keep in mind your video chapters or timestamps may take several weeks to appear in Google and YouTube, so just sit back and relax. What if your YouTube chapters or timestamps are not working? How do you fix them? Watch this video on the screen right now to learn why your video chapters are not working or not showing up and how to fix them.